Hello guys, welcome to your own YouTube channel English with Teacher Shiv. And in this video today I'm going to tell you that how one can overcome with hesitation and shyness in order to speak English. My name is Shiv and let's get started this video without any further delay. But yes, before that, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. So guys, first and foremost thing, not only you, but also many people out there in this world who feel hesitation and shyness while speaking English. So, very first thing, we should accept this fact that we have this problem and we have to face this problem, then only we can overcome with that. And how can you face? We need to find the reason why I'm hesitating, why I'm feeling shy while speaking English. If you know the reason, then only you can fix that reason. And this is how we can conquer it. Right? Now, second thing, I want you to guys to come out from your inferiority complexity, which means we feel inferior in front of others when I'm speaking English. We think what others are thinking about us. What if I make any mistake while speaking? They will make fun of me, they would criticize me, they would insult me, and there are so many thoughts comes in the mind. So guys, forget about them, avoid them and ignore them because they don't have any value in our life. We all are here for ourselves. We need to focus on our practice, ignore them, avoid them. That's it. Because until unless you do not give importance to yourself, you do not raise your voice for yourself, no one is going to stand for you. All right? So stand for yourself. Third thing, I would say just don't obsess with the fear of making mistakes. We are human beings, we are not God, and human beings make mistakes. All right? Mistakes can be your motivation, your inspiration. Mistakes can be your teacher who are going to teach you that where are you lacking and where are you have to work on. What are your loopholes and how can you fill those loopholes? So accept your mistakes, work on it, and I'm damn sure eventually find that you are speaking English flawlessly, right? Next thing is that just don't accept the higher level of expertism from your side. You're not made for expertise. All right, so we should not expect the level of perfection in our side. Rather, whatever potential we have to edify it and try to put your all caliber in order to attain one single goal, which could be English speaking. Right. Next thing is that just try to speak slowly. Whenever you are speaking, take proper pause and just arrange your thoughts in a systematic manner. When you speak English, you have to calm yourself. You have to be very tranquil and try to enjoy the process of speaking. You have to connect your thoughts with your soul. This is how you can overcome with the fear of hesitation and shyness. Right? Now, next thing is I would say whenever you are speaking English, try to use some connectors. For example, in addition to this, however, although, as soon as possible, sooner or later, even though, and there are so many. Because these connectors provide you an adequate time in order to arrange your thoughts in a chronological manner so that you can execute it as you want. All right. Next is that you have to practice a lot. Try to involve yourself into role play, whether you can use your visualization and you can use your imagination in order to expose yourself that when you speak English, how can you overcome with this shyness and hesitation, right? So just make some imaginary situation for yourself. You can involve yourself in any hypothetical situation and try to practice with these kind of exercises. These exercises will gonna help you a lot in order to speak English as a flawless speaker, and you would overcome with your shyness as well. All right. Now, last but not least, I would suggest you just try to extend your content creation power. And how will you do that? Read as much as possible. Listen different speakers who speak English so good. And you can go for shadowing method. The more you talk to native speakers, the better you feel so comfortable in order to talk with some other English speakers, because you have already talked with native speakers and you don't need to afraid of talking with Indian English speaker, right? So these are some steps that one can follow in order to overcome with hesitation and shyness. And honestly speaking, guys, if you want to become success in your life, if you want to get victory in your life, you have to cross this obstacle of shyness and hesitation, because this hesitation will always block your path. It always stop you to become the best version of yourself and to create a masterpiece for your life, right? So avoid this shyness and hesitation, break all the barriers, and enjoy the process of learning this language. I'm telling you honestly, if you'd follow these steps on your daily basis, you'd able to overcome with this problem of shyness and hesitation. Right? Thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel.